Hulk's toy review. Should we smash it or keep it? Yeah! Hulk got a NERF NITRO! Yeah!
Dude, let's open it!
Yeah! Grr. Hey Carter, load it up! Ha 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 ha!
That's cool, Hulk. Let's go set it up. Hulk, look, it goes like that. Hulk, this is gonna launch in the air.
Shoot it, go! Carter, let's see how fast they go on the ground.
Yeah!
Put them in, come on! Whoops. Ah! Try again.
Next, final.
Yeah!
Hey, Hulk, pass me some cars.
Carter, I got an idea! Ha 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 ha! You ready, Carter?
Yeah.
Woo! Ha ha ha!
Oh!
Woo!
Yeah!
Hulk's turn! Ha ha ha! Ha! Didn't make it. Was a rat closer. Woo! Ha!
Yeah!
Yeah!
That was so cool!
Hulk has one more idea, but we gotta go back outside. Ha ha ha! Carter, I'll light it. You shoot the car off. Fire!
That was awesome!
Carter, should Hulk smash it?
No.
Was this a good toy?
Well, it was really hard to cough back, though.
But was it good?
Yeah.
All right. Don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss a Hulk video. Yeah!